Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're playing Barky the Dog Obby. And today we're here with
me, Darian.
And sadly we don't have Jay here with us again, but that's okay, she's busy. Anyway, let's go. Look at the dog. Oh my gosh, do you hear him? He's literally like, oh my gosh, why is he growling? Run, the dog is going crazy.
Ow!
Hold on. Right. That dog is crazy. Oh look, the vent. Oh look at the doggies choose toys and stuff like that. Are we supposed to collect anything? Cause I'm afraid. Okay, which way should we go? Oh look, pause. Come this way, just pause. We're in the pause. Oh look, the other side of the vent. Okay. Alright. Go this way to exit the vent. Let's exit the vent. Come on. Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. Oh, my bad. Come on, I have to exit the vent. Oh my gosh, I'm not paying attention to it. I forgot. Good job. Oh, let's do this. No, what? Did it not just go off? It's really playing with me. Oh. I'm trying. I was scared. Ooh. Uh oh. Come on, let's not die that. Phew. Come on.
Oh yes.
Let's do this. Look at these billies everywhere. Yeah, you're a skipper. I like to do that too, but not this time. Watch out for the smoke and the lasers. There's lasers and smoke. What? Oh, lasers right here. I'm just... Ow. Oh, that's a laser. It's not that. I don't trust it. Could have went? Probably not. Come on, what takes this so... Oh, yes, let's do this. Come on, don't get me. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, this is the lasers. I was like, where's the lasers? Yes, we're exiting the vent! We exited! These dog ones will kill you if you touch them. Oh, don't touch the dog. Hey, where are you? Where? Did you really die to that? Oh, hello. Oh, look at this. Hold on. Incoming! Oops, I needed to see it. I'm sorry. Oh, look at the doggy. It's so cute. Oh, she just died. Huh? Well, the doggy is so cute. What? I forgot to let the dog out. Oh, it's pee! Don't step on it. It's pee. It's pee. Oh, look at the bed. Is that really the dog? It's cute. The room is flooded. Hop on these water balloons. Alright, flooded. It's flooded. Is it rising? It looks like it's rising, but it's actually just moving. It's moving. Okay, let's go. Lasers and saw blades. Up ahead, be careful. I don't hear the saw blade. Where's the saw blades? Oh, I see it. Did you really just try to do that? This is why you follow directions, you know? Look at the saw blades, guys. Look at the saw blades. Oh, look. Here he goes. We'll see how jumpy he could be. Oh, he wasn't dumb. Saw blades. Really? Imagine they were like fast. This would be actually really hard if they were faster. Look at the paw prints. The room is distorted. Don't touch the purple. Oh my gosh, I almost touched it. Yeah, I was. Look at the food and water. Did I touch a checkpoint? Just had to make sure. He fell. Yes, you did. You did fall. Oh. Well, I guess you were right. I did. Ooh.
There's a portal. Let's go.
What? A portal? Hurry, get in the portal. It's only one choice. Where is it taking me? No, why did it take us over here? Uh-oh. I don't know. Hey, wait till I read these. I don't know what's happening, but we're in outer space. Wait, what? We're in outer space. We're not even jumping high. What is this? They're supposed to jump high. Obviously. Okay, I feel like it's pink. Go. Did you do it? Did you do it? Ah, I'm taking pink. Ready, set, go. Ha! No, how? Oh, I forgot. Oops, I forgot. Yeah, I think it's pink too. I'm gonna go for another blue. Ready, set, go. Yeah, it was pink. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. Each one has a color. Okay. Oh, look, there's stairs up there, up ahead. You hear those walking sounds? Oh, what is this? No one's talking to us about this? I guess don't touch it. Look, there's smoke going on. Okay. Oh, there's questions! I see questions! Okay, hopefully it doesn't fool us and like give us like little jokes. Okay, is this an obby? Yes or no? Yes. Where are you running from? Alright, you answer this one. Yes. Okay. Is mayonnaise an instrument? No! Your turn. Are you having fun? Come on, answer it. Okay, I bet you if we would have chose no, it would have killed us. A portal, where are we going now? Oh look, we're back! We made it back home. Now, get across the water. Alright, let's get across the water. Oh, yeah. Phew, we did it. Look at this lamp and a chair. I really want to relax. Hurry, find a way out, find a way out, find a way out. Yeah, I see paws too. I see paws as well. There's windows. Okay. Follow the paws. I don't like that. What's happening? What is it doing to me? What is it doing to me? Is it already... I should have went the way I was going, cause what the heck? Okay, let's do this. Huh? We're supposed to collect bones? I found it! I found it! I found it. Just follow the right paws. If it goes backwards, looks backwards, don't go there. So it's gonna be... I'm just gonna stand out to the way it is. Okay. Hi! Yeah. There's bones. Quick, run across these planks. Oh, run across, run across, run across. Run across, run across, run across. No! My screen was kind of shaky. Well, not shaky, but. Bro, boy, why does that keep happening? You know what? I'm just not gonna use shift lock because maybe that's better. I like shift lock though. Alright, y'all, we did that finally. These cages will trap you. Avoid the cages. Oh, I see that. Is that really cages or is that? It's not dirt. Ooh. Oh, no, I didn't see that. I didn't. Hey, what happened? Hey, what did I do to it? I'm a noob. What should I say? Blocks bugs.
The freaking blocks bugs.
Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties. Well, I'm a noob for the rest of this. Oh, I didn't see these cages. I'm a noob for the rest of these. For the rest of this, till I like die. So I don't feel like resetting. No. Oh, look, I'm back to normal. Phew. I thought these were gonna be cages. Doggy bone. carpet. Where are we going? We need to get across the mud. Alright, let's get across the mud. Oh my gosh, isn't this like a dog obstacle course thing? Okay. Wait, I wasn't watching. Wow, you did it. Hey, where'd you? Oh, ew! I don't want to be here for long. Me either. You think I want to be here? Where is you bringing me? Oh wow. No, no, no. What the heck? It made me fly. It made me fly instead of going to outer space. Alright. What am I stepping on? My poor shoes are gonna be all dirty now. They're white too. What is this? This is nasty. Look where we're going down. Avoid them, avoid them, avoid them. Ew, this is nasty. Are we in a sewers?
Oh.
There you are. I thought you were behind me. Closer. Okay, we're actually in the sewers. Wait, what? Always wait for it to go down. Oh. 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 I don't know if I want to go. Yeah, good thing I didn't. Good for you. Come on, I'm coming, don't worry. Alright, I'm almost there. Hopefully I don't fall into it. Phew. What the? Oh my gosh, just jump over the cones and avoid the oil spills. There's oil spills? Oh. No, it actually... It's like mud, but black, but it's oil. Where are we? Oh no, there's jump rope ahead. Oh, jump ropes! Look, I love jump ropes. I love jump ropes. I can't wait to do this one. This is so fun. Oh look, don't jump, don't jump. Jump. What was that? I love jump ropes. Jump. What? Hey. Oh, you made it. I'm just gonna go under all of them because when I jump, it's like hard. Let's jump. Yes, jump ropes. Oh, we're at Grandma's house now. What happened to this? This is still a doghouse. Why is all this stuff on fire? Who lit them up on fire? You? You said you? I don't think I want to be next to you anymore. Ah! Watch! These axes are sharp. Watch out. Ooh. 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 Looks like it's the clown stuff. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Oh, there's two from each? What? Ah! I'm not watching. I need to actually watch. Wow. Good job. Excuse me? You act like you don't die many times either. Oof. I miss Jay. We got no choice but to jump. You first! Me first! What do you mean? You go first! No!
Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe down here. Yeah, it's safe down here. Yeah, it's safe. Yeah, it's really safe down here. Why don't you come down? It's really safe. Come on, you can't leave me down here. Would you? Would you? No, come on. Just jump down. Hey. You can't go back. Then that means you just have to go through all the things again. The dog will eat you. Come on, we need to escape the place, don't we? I tricked you. I tricked you. This place is not safe. It's hot in here. We need to run. Go. It's hot. It's hot. I'm burning. Ah. What the? You suck, just like you say to me. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, it's fire. It's too hot in here. I'm gonna melt. Yeah. Gosh, this is hard to jump over on. Whoa. What is this, a chain? Oh my gosh, don't fall off of it. Oh, a dog chain, is it? Yeah, I guess.
Got you some sexy.
What? Whoa, what is this? Is this juggling? Ah.
Oh, I know.
Is it not juggling?
I know.
What? Oh. Well, I don't think you went in the open space on time. Phew, that was a close one. I could just try to squeeze in there, but I would try that when I get a checkpoint because I'm scared. The walking sounds. Okay, that's a checkpoint. Avatar accessories. I want to wear this. A vacuum cleaner. Come on, you got this. Yes. Oh, get out of my face. We need to find the correct path. Correct path, correct path. Imagine we were going the wrong way. Oh. Bro, what is that? Is that even a dog saying that? It sounds more like a baby. Is there a baby in here? He went the wrong way. He was like, I know. Good job. What? You're so good. You're doing so good. You're so good at this. Look at you. Wow, you're doing it. Yay. Yes! What is this? Vacuum cleaners are out to get us! Oh no! Ah! They got me. Don't get caught! Don't get caught! They're too fast, they're too fast! No! They got me. They got me. Okay, I have a trick. I'm gonna go on this side. Yes. No! Wrong timing. You're doing what I'm doing, huh? Yes. Come on, man. Oh. Yeah, I think so too. You're a noob! Or blocks fucks! Oh.
What the heck?
You could have done this. You know. Good job. There's gotta be a way out here, out somewhere. Oh yeah, I see it. There's a hole. Whee!
Same?
Yeah. I'm leaving you. Oh my gosh, there's lasers! It's not safe here no more. He's locked up. Oh my gosh, he's in the cage, Run away from the street. Oh my gosh. They're too close to each other. What is this? Oh, there. Ah! I should have waited. I don't trust these. You know, I could have went. I don't trust these either. Oh my gosh, that was so close. I don't trust these. Yep. Oh, that was so close and scary. Obviously. Speedy delivery! Ah! It isn't even that fast. We made it! Nice job! Guys, we did it! Huh? Did you find all 3 hidden... Guys! Why are we making this mistake? Oh, it's a secret badge. What color did you get? Red? Well, it didn't tell us anything at the start, so how was that? We're so stupid. We're so stupid. Look guys, there's more. Look, there's a bee one and a cat one. Anyway, we finished it. Thanks for watching. Bye!